Hey, what is up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again today. I know it's been a little bit of time, about 6 days since I produced my last video, but I'm coming back to you after a week long of kind of hibernating and studying up. I've been taking the Amazing Selling Machine Amazon FBA course. I've been investing a whole lot of time into that and coming up with a ton of new ways that I'm going to be able to kind of share with you guys. Great ways on launching your products, building a brand for your product, and tons more. But before I get started, I just want to say if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And I wanted to shout out this booklet here, the Grant Cardone Millionaire Booklet. My buddy James, he lives about 30 minutes from me, and I've been teaching him Amazon FBA kind of personally, walking him through with a little mentorship that I've been showing him and things like that. But he gave me this booklet, and I wanted to just share. I was just reading, and two of the big keys I just read from it is pretty much you can't be on defense your whole life. Like, people have taught you to be on defense, save every penny, save this, save that, cut all your coupons out of the books. Really, to build wealth, you kind of need to put yourself on offense. And in the terms of Amazon FBA, that means taking that risk to put money out, buy a product, and see if it works. Test it out with 100, 200, 500 units if you want. But take that risk, put your money in offense so you can start building something. The other thing was pretty much how building wealth and becoming rich is a taboo topic. People in society will tell you, hey, you're rich, that means you're greedy and a glutton and all this stuff. And, oh, are you poor? That means we need to console you and all that stuff. So if you want to keep it to yourself, do so. That's why I kind of like to vent out right to you guys on YouTube, because I know you guys are trying to get rich. Because basically, I mean, we're not in it. I'm not in it to get rich for just the purpose of money. I'm in it so I can have the power of choice to do what I want with my life. So if you guys are in the same boat, let's get it. So anyways, some of the biggest mistakes I've been making with Amazon FBA is, first off, just getting a product and thinking I just need a bunch of different products. And what I've learned now from the Amazing Selling Machine course is building a brand is where it's at, guys. You can scale your business so much faster. And they're talking about having one product could make you $10,000 a month. 20 products, you could be in the $1 million a month in revenue just based on the factor of scaling alone. And the number of products you have doesn't correspond with the monthly income, because if you have cross promotions with your products, like you'll see down in a product category, it will say frequently bought together, and we'll have 2 products. If you have a brand with one type of magnet that's a circle magnet and then a square magnet, and those are down there in the frequently bought together because they're both your brand, people might be buying 2 products from your store instead of just one. So there's so many benefits coming with a brand. Having a Facebook page or group where customers have bought your product, and you built a brand over on Twitter where you're just basically sharing related posts. If you have a cooking product, you can share recipes, build your Twitter page up with your brand name. And I mean, it goes from Pinterest to Twitter to Facebook to Instagram to YouTube. You can use all of these things and have the same brand name for each. One thing I was learning that I could share with you guys about the Amazing Selling course is they're talking about building a brand, and you can have a brand name that you want to find a brand name that's has an open domain name. So if you make a website for it, which you can do for free, there's free website hosting programs out there, so you can build your own website. So after you build a huge brand on Amazon, you can then share build your own website, and you can put little product inserts. When you sell your product, you can say, here's a 50% coupon to my website or something. So as long as Amazon's not inspecting all your products and seeing that, they won't get too pissed at you for doing that. But basically, building a brand is where it's at. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. There's so much I want to cover with you guys, but this is kind of just a recall video on being like, hey, I'm still at it. I was just kind of taking some time off to study. I'm going to be doing a ton more live streams. There's an amazing new product research way that I've been learning about. So Jungle Scout has its place. But I'm learning just literally how to source manually through the Amazon catalog and find products no one else is finding. I'm going to be doing live streams showing you guys, walking you through that here in the next day or so. And there is one tool, it's a $15 tool. It's the DS Amazon Quick View. And it just shows you the seller rank, the BSR rank for different products. and you basically find a primary product, and then you find two competing products that have similar BSRs, and I don't know, there's a whole lot I got to share with you guys. But I'm about to be going snowboarding today, so I hope I can get back to you guys real quick with some of these live streams and just hammer them out like I was. You know, I kind of am recovering a little bit from the crypto phenomenon, which was absolutely crazy, but I had no grasp on what was actually going on. I didn't have any control over that. And I mean, the market goes up and down, more volatile than anything else. It started to make me volatile. All right, so I'm trying to hit up a business that I can be in full control of. Amazon gives me the perfect platform to do that. I mean, it's one of the most passive businesses that you can make, and you can sell this kind of thing for 8 times what your monthly revenue is in the end. So I mean yearly revenue. So if you're making $200,000 a year, you can multiply that by 8 and sell your business for that. So it's amazing what Amazon can do. I'm going to be hammering Amazon FBA all the way for you guys. Have a great night, and we will see you guys soon. I'm going to go hit the slopes. Peace out.